Today we are going to prepare a wonderful glow serum using potato. Yes, you heard that right, potato. Now you might be wondering, why potato? Why are we choosing this humble kitchen ingredient for making a face serum? Well, potatoes are not just for fries or curry. They are actually a hidden beauty treasure. Potato has a naturally high iron content, and iron plays a big role in keeping our skin healthy, nourished, and radiant. When our skin gets proper nutrients like iron, it looks brighter, more alive, and simply glowing from within. Not only that, potatoes also contain azelaic acid, a compound that works as a gentle, natural skin brightening agent. This means that if you've been struggling with scars, blemishes, stubborn dark spots, or even uneven skin tone due to hyperpigmentation, this serum can help you gradually fade them away. It's like giving your skin a natural reset, so let's start making it. First, take one medium-sized potato. Wash it thoroughly to remove any dirt, because we want it completely clean before use. Next, remove the peel carefully. You can use a peeler or a small knife, whichever you are more comfortable with. Cut the potato into small pieces so it blends easily later. Potatoes are also rich in antioxidants, which help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So while you're cutting, just imagine all that goodness soaking into your skin. Next step, place the pieces into a blender or grinder jar. Add a little water, just enough to help it blend smoothly. Grind it into a fine paste. Once done, we need to sieve it to extract pure potato juice. This juice is what will make your serum truly powerful. And yes, remember, potatoes' high iron content is not just for internal health, it actually boosts circulation when applied on skin, giving you that healthy, radiant complexion we all love. Now take half a cup of water in a small saucepan. To this, add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. If you don't have cornstarch, you can use corn flour as well. Both work similarly. Mix it well before turning on the flame so there are no lumps. Turn on the stove to medium heat. While it's heating, keep stirring in between. This will help it cook evenly and prevent clumps. You'll notice the mixture slowly starting to thicken. Once it becomes slightly transparent and smooth, switch off the flame. Now here's a tip. Let it cool down completely before moving to the next step. As it cools, you'll see it getting a little bit thicker, which is exactly what we want. Once cooled, start adding your potato juice gradually. Don't pour it all at once. Add a little, whisk it, then add more. If you have a whisker, use it. It makes the texture super smooth. The key is to have a lump-free serum. After mixing, sieve it again to ensure a silky texture. Next, we enrich the serum with some amazing oils. Add 1 tablespoon of almond oil. Almond oil is full of vitamin E, which deeply nourishes the skin and helps with repair. Add a few drops of jojoba oil. This is optional, but it's great for balancing skin's natural oils. Now for a refreshing touch, add a few drops of lemon essential oil. If you don't have essential oil, you can add fresh lemon juice. Just remember, if your skin is very sensitive, skip the lemon or do a patch test first. And, of course, you can always add any other facial oil of your choice. Rosehip oil, argan oil, or even vitamin E oil would be great options. Mix it all well until everything is combined beautifully. And that's it, your homemade glow serum is ready. You can store this serum in a clean, airtight container and keep it in the fridge for up to a week. I recommend including this in your nighttime skincare routine. Take a small amount, massage it gently all over your face, focusing on areas with dark spots or fine lines. The massage will help improve blood circulation and ensure the serum penetrates well into the skin. Once applied, leave it overnight. Let the ingredients work their magic while you sleep. In the morning, rinse your face with lukewarm water, and I promise you will notice a visible difference. Softer, brighter, and more even-toned skin. Do try this remedy and see how it transforms your skin naturally. I would love to hear your feedback. Please share your valuable experience with us by commenting down below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more simple and effective home remedies. Your support means a lot, and it helps me keep creating natural beauty tips just for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.